Now let's look at the next command, which is mouse down. So mouse down right button and mouse down left button. How is it different than mouse went down? Let's see. So I have clicked on run button, and when I press the right button of the mouse, the bunny is moving forward. And if I press the left button, it is moving backwards. The only difference between mouse down and mouse went down is the continuation of that command. So when I click on the right button of the mouse, once it's moving forward. But if I keep that button pressed, then the bunny continues to move forward. If I click on the left button of the mouse, the bunny turns backward. But if I continuously press the left button of the mouse, the bunny continues to move backwards. Now, as you can see, the forward and backward images are positioned at the 200x position, and hence, even if the bunny has moved out of the screen, if I press the right button uh, or the left button, the bunny appears at the center and starts moving. Let me show you how. I continuously press the right button of the mouse and it moves forward. I press the left button once, then it comes in the center and starts going backwards when I continuously press the left button of the mouse. So, mouse down command continuously checks whether the mouse has been pressed continuously. So, it kind of gives a smoother movement. Let me show you the difference right away. So, instead of mouse down right, instead of mouse down, I check mouse went down left button and mouse down left button. So let's try these commands simultaneously. So just a minute. Instead of left, let me do uh, right button over here. And I reset and play. So if I click on the left button, even if I continuously press the left mouse key, the bunny is not moving forward because it is checking mouse went down. Only when the mouse left button goes down, the bunny executes that command and moves forward. Now let's check mouse down right button command. If I click on the right button of the mouse, it is going backwards, and if I continuously press it, it continues to move backwards. So this is the difference between these two commands.